Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do dropshipping on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, Etsy is basically a storefront where you can create your own account and sell mainly your own handmade items or your own products that you create. However, you can do dropshipping as well if you want to, and the way that you do this is pretty much just adding products to your store. I am currently having difficulties with creating my own store due to me not wanting to enter my personal information in there because I'm not planning on selling anything. However, I will explain using my own words. So what you're going to need to do to start dropshipping is to find the adequate products that you want to dropship. So for example, go to websites such as Alibaba, AliExpress, pretty much whatever you want, maybe even Temu. Find the products and copy all the needed information. So the name, the category, everything, maybe even the SKUs. However, those are just for sellers usually, so you won't be able to get them. The variations, the details, the sizes, everything depending on what you want to sell, and all the needed information that you need, you should copy over and then create a product with the exact same information on Etsy. So when somebody orders that off of Etsy, and you should make the order on demand. So when somebody orders it, you create it then you order the item from the site that you found it on, and then just enter the buyer's information so that it's shipped directly to them, and then you have profit that they pay you to place the order. Of course, the price should be a bit higher than the drop shipping price, and once they order from you, you get the money. You use that money to order that item online through that dropshipping site, and then it'll arrive at their door. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.